Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove limits on Facebook page. Facebook actively monitors users' activity on the application. Violating Facebook community standards and its rules can result in a Facebook restricted account, and you wonder why Facebook restricted my account. You can solve a restricted account by reporting a complaint to Facebook. There are two types of restrictions. The first one, temporary restriction. The second, permanent restriction. Temporary restriction refers to a Facebook account that is being restricted from performing certain actions, restriction to post comments or videos, etc. If you are facing a temporary restriction, then you have two options. Wait for the restriction time to expire and file an appeal to Facebook administrators. Follow these videos to file an appeal when there is a temporary restriction on your account. For example, Facebook Community Standards warning for posting content on your Facebook account has been restricted from advertising for spamming, etc. First, go to Help and Report section on your Facebook. Tap Report a Problem and tap Something Went Wrong. Then, add details about the issue that you are facing along with the images and submit a report to Facebook. Note, you can also report temporary action restriction issues to Facebook. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.